Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Hugging Face just launched an app store. Not for your phone, for your robot. I'm Emily, your, anyone can build robot apps now person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast who just checked if $299 is within my budget for a desktop robot. Asking for a friend. The friend is me.
Get in line. So Hugging Face, the platform where millions of developers host and share AI models, just launched an app store for their tiny desktop robot called Reachy Mini. It already has over 200 community-built apps available, all completely free to download. And the robot itself starts at just $299, compared to $70,000 for a Boston Dynamics robot.
And the apps are genuinely wild. There's a chess robot that mocks your bad moves, an anti-procrastination robot that tells you to put your phone down, a live Formula One race commentator sitting on your desk, and a language tutor that corrects your accent in real time. Over 150 different creators built these, and most had never written a single line of robotics code before.
That's the real headline here. Building robot apps used to require months of specialist engineering work. Now you just describe what you want in plain English, wave when someone says good morning, and an AI agent writes the code, tests it, and ships it. A 78-year-old retired marketing executive with no coding background built a fully functional robot receptionist that greets people by name and fact-checks live discussions.
And even if you don't own a Reachy Mini, you can still build and test apps using the built-in browser simulator. Every app is also forkable, meaning you can duplicate any existing app and ask an AI to modify it. Want it to answer in French? One sentence. Done.
The entire platform is open source, too. No proprietary walls, no locked ecosystems. Hugging Face's CEO believes closed systems make large-scale innovation almost impossible. So everything, the hardware designs, the code, the apps, is publicly available for anyone to build on.
10,000 units sold so far, with 3,000 sold in just the past 2 weeks alone. Robotics just had its anyone can make an iPhone app moment, and that changes everything.
The question is no longer how to build a robot, it's what will you ask yours to do? Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And stay curious. The robot revolution just got a $299 entry ticket and an app store to go with it. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.